Hello guys, welcome! We are in Nagiso, a small town where we made our base to explore the Nakasendo route. We're staying in a lovely apartment with views of the bridge. As you can see, it's snowing quite heavily right now, but we plan to visit the bridge tomorrow. Its name is Momosuke. It was built in 1922 and it is the main bridge in Nagiso. The bridge is an iconic part of the town, offering scenic views of the surrounding area and playing a significant role in the local infrastructure. It stands as a testament to early 20th century engineering and continues to be a notable landmark for both residents and visitors exploring the Nakasendo route. Also, it is Japan's longest wooden suspension bridge. The Momosuke Bridge, also called the Bridge of Peaches, was finished in September 1922. It was built by the Daido Power Company, led by President Momosuke Fukuzawa, a leader in hydroelectric development. The bridge was used to transport construction materials for the Yomikaki power plant, completed in 1923. It would have been cheaper to build the bridge further downstream, where the river is narrower. However, Momosuke Fukuzawa, the bold entrepreneur behind both the bridge and the power station, cared more about how it looked than the cost. He chose this wider part of the river because a longer bridge would look more elegant. The original bridge was made of chestnut, pine, and cedar, with iron rails in the middle for handcarts. As the wood rotted over time, the bridge became unsafe and was closed to the public in 1978. It reopened in 1993 after 2 years of restoration. The new bridge is made of local sawara and hinoki wood, with bongoshi and African hardwood replacing the iron rails. By the way, the Momosuke Bridge is made up of 3 stone piers and 4 spans, with 247 meters length and 2.7 meters wide. Nagiso, nestled in the picturesque Kiso Valley, is surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes including forests, mountains, and rivers. It offers stunning views, particularly during the cherry blossom season and autumn foliage. The valley is renowned for its historic towns and scenic hiking trails, such as the popular Magome Tsumago Trail, part of the Nakasendo Way. This trail provides a scenic walk through forests and along streams, offering visitors a glimpse into traditional Japanese rural life. Okay guys, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future content. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. See you in the next video.